Good morning, folks. Coming back to you today, just another day at the office. We have a 2015 Lexus GX 450 with a really nasty crease, a vertical crease at the rear of the door. It even opened up the door gap right along this area here. So hopefully we're going to reshape this thing and get this pearl white, beautiful piece back in the customer's hands in a reasonable amount of time. Dent Dawg San Antonio, coming back at you. See you later, guys. Okay, coming back to you on the finished product on the Lexus GX 460 door that I showed you that was just annihilated along that back edge. Again, at Dent Dawg San Antonio, we have another successful paintless repair on a door that was otherwise crushed. Great day at the office. Hope everybody's having a blessed day like I am. Thank you.